galaxies are modeled as multi-component spheres. Dark matter surrounds massive stars, and at the very center lies a single supermassive black hole. The supermassive black hole merging process occurs in 3 stages. The galaxies are set on a collision orbit where the gravitational forces act to sink the supermassive black holes to the center of the remnant galaxy. The supermassive black holes lose energy and angular momentum by ejecting stars from the surrounding space. Coalescence of the supermassive black hole binary is finally achieved through gravitational wave emission. Whoop! They merge.